Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Zach and Siegfried. Okay, so Kuya Zach here has a toy. So this toy is a BaliComb.
Or butterfly
So
knife.
this is a knife, but
It's not a knife.
it's a
It's a
comb.
comb.
So this is the lock. It's a lock. Okay, like that. There's the comb. This is the comb. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, so demonstrate it.
What?
Demonstrate it. How do you use that?
No.
Okay. How do you use it?
It's like a so like make some tricks like those. So like make an opening. So like this. Put it down. Put it up. Down. And this is how the trick will open it. Then to close it, just do the same thing. Like up, down, and go like that. Like that. Also, I'm gonna teach you some tricks that will help you with your butterfly knife skill. The first trick is the double like that, where you do two times. What you're gonna do is go up, slide it down, and do another one to go down. Do the same thing to close one. There's another one called Y2K2. And with this, where like grab the bite handle. Okay, by the way, this is a safe handle and then bite handle. Bite handle has this latch. So what you're gonna do, go like this, and then just like grab it like this. If you do like that, put your thumb up. When it gets to here, remove it. Then it will go into your finger. Then it will land over here. It's like this. It's like this kind of position. There. It will spin, grab this, move it like that. Like that. And this is what it looks like when it's fast. Cool. So there's another one called fanning. Then it's going just like this. There we go. Like fan. Stick out, then like get a lot of force and spin it. Then let go of it, not like that. Not like that. And let go of it like a little, let go, like, so it can spin. Cover or anything. So that's it for the tricks. So this is how the thing works. There are some other tricks all behind the 8 ball. We need to stand up. So this is the behind the 8 ball, where you like do this. That, and like that. I'm not gonna show it to you because it's really hard. The another one is the blend. Where you go like this, put your finger in there, and grab this, like this. Bruh. Again. So, yeah, that's how I do it. So that's it for today's guys. So I'm gonna end this video right now. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment below what you want next. And see you guys in another video. eyes.